Welcome to the new location pin tutorial. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the steps for how to create new custom location pins and amenity pins that you will place within 3 meters of a walkable only or all access path. We will show you how to create location pin categories and add logos to populate the app directory for optimized branding. Once you have annotated your floor plan with navigation paths, click the location pin icon to open the new location pin and path menu. Place amenity pins in your map to help your visitors find restrooms, exits, cafes, and other resources in your venue. To place custom location pins, click the path icon and choose Location Pin. Place the pin near a path, then enter the pin details. Add up to 6 logos or images. Highlight and monetize specific destinations or products by turning on the Feature Pin toggle, creating a spotlight for key locations or products in the app directory. Choose pin and path colors, and a navigation style for customization of each location pin. Create and assign categories and subcategories to location pins for the best searching experience in the directory. Add a logo that will serve as a wayfinding indicator during navigation and icon in the app directory. Enter contact details, websites, and attach a coupon or flyer that can be downloaded by the visitor through the location pin details page. Once you have added logos, information, and assigned categories to your location pins, you will have a robust, fully branded directory that your visitors will enjoy browsing through. They will be able to easily search for and navigate to any location or product within the venue.